Ilang araw na nga lang ay big event na nga po ang concert ng SB19 kaya naman po ang Live Nation Philippines ay mayroon pong paalala. Live Nation Philippines Facebook page, 18 This is your reminder to claim your physical tickets at any SM Tickets outlets day before the show to avoid hassle on the day of the concert. For ticket concerns, you may reach out to SM Tickets customer support via email. So, andyan po ang pwede nyong kontakin para po sa inyong ticket. Anyway, narito po ang reminders para po maingatan ninyo ang inyong ticket. SB19 wakas at simula the Trilogy Concert Finale SMDC Festival Grounds, April 18, 2026. Important reminders for ticket holders. Physical tickets may be claimed at any SM Tickets outlet starting from the date of purchase. We strongly encourage claiming your tickets early to avoid long lines or any inconvenience, as the redemption period will close before show day. Please keep your tickets secure at all times. Loss or damage, tickets will not be replaced or refunded. So make sure to store them properly for a smooth entry on event day. Kaya naman mga Kaps, paalala, i-secure ang inyong ticket sa maayos na lalagyan dahil kapag kayan ay nagkaaberya, hindi na po pwedeng palitan. Samantala, mula sa Asian Inquirer, ang isang Facebook page na laging nagbibigay ng update sa SB19. Isa sa naging topic nila ay ang about SB19's Pablo takes the lead as president of 1Z Entertainment. SB19 leader Pablo transitioned to president as 1Z Entertainment restructures leadership ahead of their major trilogy finale concert. Pablo appointed president of 1Z Entertainment. Pablo of SB19 has officially assumed the role of president at 1Z Entertainment. This leadership shift signals a strategic transition for the artist-founded company as it enters a new era. Julian De Dios has been promoted to Chief Executive Officer from his previous Chief Operating Officer position. Pablo previously served as the Chief Executive Officer before taking on this specific presidential mandate. The remaining SB19 members, Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justine, continue as active Board of Directors members. A full slate of executive officers has been appointed to oversee sales, marketing, and creative services. The structuring aims to fortify 1Z Entertainment's focus on diverse artist development and future projects. This announcement precedes the group's massive wakas at simula, the trilogy finale concert on April 18. The firm is also preparing for the highly anticipated launch of a brand new musical group. Industry insiders view the move as a major step toward corporate sustainability in P-pop. Actually, marami po talaga ang nagtatanong kung ano nga ba ang posisyon ng apat. Like, Stel, Justin, Josh, and Ken. So, katulad po ng sinabi ng nasabing artikulo, sila po ay nananatiling Board of Directors. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.